Here's a quick look at the market for Friday, October the 9th, through the eyes of eminiDayTrader. We always like to start off here taking a look at the market profiles. The profile right here is the profile from today. This is yesterday's profile. The one in the middle here is the Globex or overnight session. So we like to use these profiles. You can see that each profile has a lettered component and a volume component. We like to use these to gauge the condition of the market and the cycle within the auction process. We had mentioned, by the way, this is just a shortened video. The one, of course, that we do for the members usually lasts about 15 to 20 minutes with many charts and much more detail, marked up charts and so forth. But with this, we just like to give a kind of a synopsis of the market, what the trades we took today, and a bit on outlook. So the market, as far as its actions overnight were concerned, it maintained its bullish stance. You can see that here's yesterday's low, here's the overnight low, so it didn't quite take that out. And of course the regular trading hours also had a higher low. And we did extend above that 66 area late in the day. You can see actually in the overnight session it did also extend above it. This was the barrier I was referring to on yesterday's video. A little bit of extension above it on yesterday's, I'm sorry, this was yesterday's over here. This was yesterday's trade. A little bit more overnight, and then of course we actually closed above it here late today. So the next target, well, the very first target was 69. It hit 68.50, and then of course our next one up is 76. So that's really what we're looking at. Still have the underlying bullish tone in the market, and so we're expecting some more up move come Sunday evening and Monday. Then again, Monday is a holiday for the banks, Columbus Day, so volume is likely to be very light, and so you want to be a little bit careful there because the could have some kind of strange volatility. These are the profiles just from the current day, a regular trading session only, not including the Globex. Here's our software. It's based on a 1-minute chart, identifies trades for us. Now we had a nice deceleration here, as you can see by that triangle. So we did get short. It only hit our first objective, so break even on that trade. The only other trade we had was on a pullback here, and got long on that trade and actually held it right in through the close. So that worked out nicely. A nice 2 3/4 point rally on the final partial on that trade. We actually got out of that trade at the end of the last minute. The end of the second to last minute of the trading day for a 2 1/4 point gain on the final partial there. So even though it was very, very quiet today, we're still able to take something out of the market. So that's really what we're looking at come early next week, and what happened today. So any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email at info@eminiDayTrader.com, and we'd be happy to answer your questions or give you a demonstration of the software and things like that. So have a good weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.